Hi, welcome to STL Professional Services. Today we're going to talk about long-term care and some of the planning that has been typically done or not done has been reimagined by Equitrust. So if you visit our site, you'll see that long-term care prices, of course, are rising. You can read a little bit about that. Most people have to go bankrupt to be able to qualify for Medicaid, and then you are looking at being able to keep one house, one car, in a certain amount in a bank account. And then you can qualify for Medicaid. But there's a look back of a certain amount of years. So, there's the problem that, aging baby boomers are getting well into their 70s. And then we want to talk about some of the solutions and something that we found to be one of the best ones out there. So, let's look at Equitrust, the only annuity company that is allowing you to take your money out of the dangerous banks with this pending crash happening here in March 27th of 2023. Move your CD or your life savings, except for what you need to pay bills, into a safe annuity. Leave an emergency fund, of course. And we do have, if you haven't done any planning, we do have my custom financial plan, which is online software to really help you get your ducks in a row and figure out what your net worth is, what your investments are, and all your different allocations. So ask us about that. But you come to services, and when you get here, just hover right over hover over services, go to long-term care solutions, and then when you get here, this will be available to you. You can read all this. But what I want to do is kind of run through a scenario. A lot of people are finding they are paying $150 a month, and it would promise if they went in a nursing home, they get $150 per day for 30 days. And that was about a $4,500 benefit. And now the cost of that same benefit's it's gone up to 200, then 300, then 400. They're like, why does this keep going up? How is this legal? Well, the insurance company can raise the entire pool. Not just you. They can't just do that. That's illegal. They can't raise your price. But they can raise the entire pool. So to avoid that, I called up and talked to some of my mentors and the insurance companies. The only way to lock it in, the only trick that I've found is to do a lump sum deposit into a long-term care policy. But the problem is 90% of long-term care policies are not issuing policies anymore. So you probably can't get a policy even if you want one. So is there any solution? Well, enter the bridge with Equitrust. So let's take a look at this long-term care reimagined. And I'm going to play a little video for you here. Yeah, let's just start it right at the 12-second.
65 today will likely need long-term care services? Sure, a lot of people do. The trouble is, 90% of long-term care insurance carriers no longer issue new policies. That's a really big gap. Bridge is here to help. Bridge from Equitrust Life Insurance Company is an innovative new product that connects two of your clients' goals seamlessly. 1. To age successfully and independently, wherever and however they want. And 2. To leverage their assets to help cover long-term care costs. How is Bridge different? Easy. Bridge offers your clients better wellness, better access, better life. For starters, Bridge provides a unique science-based wellness program called Never Stop to help clients delay or avoid the need for long-term care services. Never Stop creates a successful aging plan for your clients and gives them access to wellness benefits. Second, Bridge can work for families even when life doesn't go according to plan. If the contract holder doesn't use the long-term care benefits of Bridge, the accumulated value of the underlying annuity is still available to be used for supplemental income, or it can be left to their beneficiaries. In addition, underwriting is simple and approval is guaranteed. That's right, no one will be declined in underwriting. Your clients can be assessed in about 30 minutes via video, and no medical records, APS, MIB, or prescription checks are required. With Bridge, clients can customize their level of long-term care benefit to meet their individual planning needs. Because we know as well as you do that when it comes to financial planning, one size fits none. When a claim is made, the money converts to tax-free benefits for qualified expenses, and your clients won't need to submit receipts to receive benefit payments. So, now you're probably wondering, how does it all work? Bridge is powered by an indexed annuity, so it has the ability to gain accumulation value at a higher rate than a traditional fixed account. It comes with a long-term care rider to turn premium dollars into guaranteed benefits, plus a wellness rider to provide the Never Stop Wellness program. Bridge accepts money from non-qualified sources, including 1035 exchange of annuities with deferred gains and 1035 exchange from a no longer needed life insurance policy.
All right, so that's the basics on that, and then you did hear them talk about it's flexible. This is the only annuity you can keep if you want to just get started as a younger person or help your kids in their 40s. Wow, wish we would have locked this in earlier. You can. It's flexible payments. No one ever lets you. You have to usually drop lump sums into an annuity. This is the only one that allows payments. You can drop your lump sum and keep putting savings into it to build your benefit to really help you get more. It's guaranteed issue, which is really nice. It's simplified underwriting, so everybody gets qualified. You get your benefits, you need it. And then, of course, there's this Never Stop program. Let's take a quick look at this for 2 minutes.
Did you know one of the keys to successful aging is to never stop learning? Keep your brain younger by feeding it new challenges over time. Take up a new language, a new musical instrument, a portrait painting class. We know that people can achieve healthy outcomes when they are empowered to manage their health by taking the right actions at the right time. Meet your expert ally who makes successful aging accessible. Introducing Never Stop, the groundbreaking wellness program based on the latest science of aging, designed to help you take small steps that create big results. So live life in the wow, both now and in the future, and tell the calendar to mind its own business. Never Stop's innovative technology can help predict and enhance your personal aging journey. Upon joining, you'll answer a set of questions to identify your individual health goals and needs. Next, you'll get a customized aging map and access to a successful aging ally to recommend solutions just for you. These personalized tools will provide immediate actions and easy steps to help improve your health and overall well-being. You may also receive perks like special pricing on programs, devices, and apps to improve things such as heart and mental health, nutrition, and sleep, plus science-based brain training to stay sharp, and even safe home strategies.
Okay, that's super awesome. But so those are really available to help you do that. And in the state of Ohio, it's not quite out yet. That's going to happen here in April. So I'm going to run Kentucky, which is nearby, because we're not allowed to run Michigan in this state. So let's take a look at someone who lives in Kentucky. And if you're turning 65, you can grow this benefit at a 2% compounding for up to 20 years. So this person's gets 275% of what they deposit as a benefit. So if they deposit $100,000, they get 275%, but it's compounding. So at 20 years later at 85, if they should use it, they have a benefit from which to pull out of $408,636. So the monthly benefit, if we just take a calculator, $68.11. Most people are only getting a $150 benefit. So $68.11 divided by 30 days, that's $227 a day. So that's something you can really do. Pretty awesome. And if you are a little bit, that's preferred. Let's look at most people might not be in the perfect shape. So if we look at 100,000, the average person is going to get 282,000. Which is 4706 divided by a 30-day daily benefit. So $150 a day is kind of average. So if you want to get in shape before you get this, that'd be great, but it'd be better to get this and start your compounding. You have 20 years to do it. Let's say you're 71. You can grow this for 20 years and compound the 2% benefit while the pot of money is getting index crediting in the S&P 500, but you'll always be guaranteed a benefit that grows at 2% compounding. So from 71, using the benefit at 91 for a monthly benefit, you'd get $271,000. Now, if I think the last year they'll issue this, if you're 80 and you really just drop the ball, my grandpa's 107. So they're saying if you cross 60, 65 without having a heart attack or cancer, you got a 50-50 chance of hitting 100. So if you're 80, we can get you issued on this, and $100,000 rollover from your insurance or a CD or cash, non-qualified money. That means not an IRA. Although there are other programs that might let you use an IRA to use it tax-free, but this is not. This is non-qualified money. It's after-tax money. Rolling that over, at 80, you could grow it till 100, and let's say you had to use it, like my grandma at 93. You still have 226,000, and out of your deposit, you got 175% coverage ratio. So, that's a great benefit for just getting started late, not having to take a health test. It's something versus nothing. So if that really sounds like a plan for you, what I'd like you to do now is go to stlpsi.com, and there'll be a tab you can find us called long-term care. Just look for LTC, and that's pretty much where you'll find this, and you can just schedule a Zoom appointment. Just click this and come in here and get on the calendar. I think we have one free one that's the 15-minute one. These are financial planning. If you don't have an online financial plan, we'd like to work with you on that. But this is the 15-minute one is no cost, just to get a quick talk together. Okay, so go do that, and we will see you on the Zoom and get you guys all set up for long-term care. Okay? All right, bye-bye. God bless.